Go to Google and search for Leonardo AI. Open the first one. Sign in. But if you don't have an account already, you'll be asked to sign up. On the Leonardo homepage, go to Image Creation. In Image Creation, you are going to see a prompt box. Type in your prompt. You can get such prompts from places like ChatGPT. Go to Settings and set Preset to Lifelike Vision and Preset Style to 3D Render. Once done with settings, hit Create. This generation will cost me 14 credits since I'm using the free version of Leonardo AI. These are our generated images. You can click on any and download it. If you are not satisfied with the images, you can click Create to generate a new set of images. Go back to Settings and change the preset to Anim. Hit Create without changing the prompt. You will have the same images, but in a completely different style. You can also try out other settings as well, to see which ones work best for you. Let's try a different prompt and see what comes up. Change the preset back to Lifelike Vision and hit Create. These are the images that were generated. I'm going to play around with different settings under the same prompt and see what comes up. After generating your images, download them and you can use them in different projects like children's storybooks and animated movies. In my next video, I will show you how to turn these images into animated videos, so don't miss out on that. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like these.